more down the road.
Pagkasunod Aranet, wala ko kakuan. Wala ko kakuan Airbnb.
Hi! Annyeong! We're here in Ongpin, Char. We're trying food trip. In 1 hour only. 1 hour food trip. 1 hour food trip. The dragon is there. Una ako makita sa famous lagi. It's real man. Straight pa ta. Murag drita ato katong pagkuan may no? Sirado. Sirado na gabigin na ako. So dapat hayag yun mo ari. Dapat yun hayag. Hindi malagkuan. We're in Chinatown. Yun, napa tayo. Napa sila? Yes, ma'am. Ako mag-1 ako. Ako sa isa lang. Kung saan eh? So, 5? Amo, ilan? Apat. Apo, apat. Palisto ko. Amera? Ah, wala na siya ikuan palit. Lahos na. Okay, yes. Tabihin mo. Dito ko ginamot to. Dapat ba ito? Sila dito. Balik na dito. Cold lang lunch. Yan na ning lunch. Trying the mashiso. Ano? Kajak? Meron na siya ulong baw. Ikaw di man mo. Dalawa. Na-achieve ang mga fooding. Food court. For a food trip.
10 minutes.
Okay lang po.
10 minutes laban.
Yung dumpling.
Nag-rush pa siya dumpling.
Wanna try? We'll try.
Sila po trip na lang man ta.
Oh, let's try everything.
Ana, dos. Sa photographer.
Ano yung lamian ko ha? Dili tanan ganahan. Like acquired tastes siya.
Wait, na siya something.
Word for the day. Okay, go.
Acquired taste. Well, try taste the Xiaolong Hao.
Xiaolong Hao.
Xiaolong Hao.
Laban dyan sa food trip.
Magbawa na po yung edit. Sama dyan yung kitang
Oh my
pagilinihan.
god, it's init lagi.
Pagilinihan mo din.
Parang, it tastes like something I know.
Ulo, he's swimming.
Something you won't really find in Filipino cuisine.
Pero feeling na ko, kaya dagang sa ka, or baka pwede ako pwede na kayo sa ka.
Not pork. It's a healthy option.
Worth it lang yung nilin niya.
Worth it na kaso.
Kung paano, hindi ko madugal ko yun eh.
Hindi naman. Ako may kagin sa process. After. Ay. Drink your water. Where ka ba? Rice cake din.
Gusto ko ang mga spices.
This is barbecue rice cake. Rice cake.
Walang sugar. natural.
Ano pa? Nahulot na ko. Dali lang.
Natural din.
You should try.
Curious na siya. Uy, sugar. Ano ako? Di ba?
Plant-based tayo.
Mana na dayon tang.
Tapos nahulot na ba na ko kung isa kainuhan na?
Ay, balister.
Wala na.
Try, sige, try na naman. Try po.
Oh, wait lang, sige. Sige. Kasi yung sila min money recipe.
Mushroom tofu.
Ay, tofu.
Ay, I love the tofu.
Ah, sige.
Tofu, di ba?
Sorry guys, sorry guys.
I love
Try this also.
Nga sa may...
Nahulot na ba na kung isa?
Ang sausaw, ano no need na ni sausaw?
Wala ra. Hindi mo ko paano.
Ini are cake.
Okay ba, malagpig ka?
Ay, so lahit na siya.
Ay, ko din siya.
Gusto ko na din ang pusa ito kung order. Prepare na lang di ay. Sorry tayo sa isa ganin na nga ako rin kaon.
Pag na, marag ang kuha na. Mo niyang rice. Oh. First fish. Bite ra ko ha.
Kami nga na din.
Ito yung siya ganda.
Gana? Mas hard tofu. Kato kay soft. Ano ka hard? Or silk na tofu.
Real food na dyan eh. Tinuod nga food at ang kaan.
Food with paper.
Hindi ka nang unusual mo sa ko na flavors.
Naingani sa kuan. Para mag-naadjud pero minus iba makakita na magkalong ba?
Pero,
Hindi.
Bakura. Paseo. Paseo? Nas paseo ka sa gawas. Just in case ba na may anytime fitness ba?
salong.
Hindi nabilin.
Naka, sini o totoong rice.
Ay, okay.
Done, guys. Worth it ra ang koan. Food trip
Very worth
for
it.
today. Yeah. Ang review. Pero yung aking vlog, I bought coffee. Mga packaging natin. Mga pack. We're going home na, guys. Really na Binondo. So, how are you guys? Hi! We're doing great. The food trip is amazing. Hi! So, yeah. I'm currently the holder now. And it's so in it. And it's so windy. Oh, the you are going to need it? We are currently in the footage. Still waiting for the grab. Temporary handler for this vlog. Hello there, Ming Ming. Kitty cat. Hello there. Sorry, good. Tuko man siya. That's the Binondo trip. Yeah. I want to dagkot, but buhay na lang.
Try up.
Yeah, this is the what?
Lord
it lamig? Is it lamig? Yeah, nom for me. So you should try. Okay. Food critic for the day. We could try this. Oh.
Mag-English man di ay? May anytime ba mag-English?
Mauto English, no?
Mo-auto English, no?
English. Basta magatubang og kuan.
Matubang og vlog unya.
Camera,
Init.
language.
So that you will not have to subtitle anymore.
Sa benta di ka nga.
Okay.
F-card.
Should you have your
Ay, wala sa flavor sa
Wala.
General Egg?
Macau base ka.
Yes, it's in Macau.
Okay, you'll try.
Okay, you'll try too? You're gonna try it too? Okay, how's it? Now the vlogger will have her own.
Before you
Correct.
go somewhere there. Okay. That's great.
So malapit lang talaga.
Na talaga.
So malapit lang talaga to New York. But guys, we're not going there because we have to catch our flight back to Cebu. I am just so worried right now because earlier today there was a delay. We had a friend who has to leave at around 6 a.m. but she was sharp. She left the airport around 9 a.m. and reached Cebu at around 10. So such a sad story. I just hope that sad story.
Mahirap po nakakuha din.
I just hope that she's okay. She's okay.
It would be like the delay.
No, please, no delays. I would love to have no delays.
So that we will not be late.
But regardless, they're with.
Oh. So how was it?
Oh,
I forgot that you're
It's a mess, but it's so good.
Yeah.
But kasi tayo nag-English,
I went twice, ma'am.
but what's to be better because
Okay.
it's hard.
Okay, struggling hours.
Hard.
Struggling hours.
Struggling.
Okay. Okay.
So I therefore conclude June is a mess-eater. June, ano na yan, June? Your vlogger is a mess-eater, guys. Look at the tar falling all over her bag. Attire, my God, what's wrong? Of course, she made her cream soda sehun smoothie as a keychain. Tatlo ba?
It's still on.
Oh, it's double top. I'm so sorry. I do not own a GoPro, so I'm so sorry. This is Boa of Cebu, visiting Manila. Hey! Hey, this is me. Hi, outfit check.
Outfit check, my outfit check. Outfit check for today. Oh,
I sana like,
So you follow.
I'm ready. This is Maxwear Fossil. 90 bag and my shorts is from UK.
Wow.
UK Square. Your outfit is coming from Tumblr, sponsored by Tupperware.
Sana all my sponsor.
Name is Shop.
Wow. Whoa.
Okay. SGB.
SGB then.
Okay, panatali.
Addy. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, Jean. How about Jean?
Me? How about
Me?
This is from Shopee. I forgot the store. This
Why?
is from Shopee.
Wow, Shopee girl.
Yeah, I'm a Shopee girl.
And
New shoes.
New shoes.
Monday mo.
yeah.
Aman ka, yung puti ka.
Naniniagan kami suko. For the concert, things we do for love.
Concert shoe. So guys,
Yeah.
wala ko yung mga more pinaka-expensive furniture.
As of today, Star.
My most expensive one is my G-Dragon 90 Air Force Paranoids. I did not know, I did not use it today.
Really?
That's my most expensive one.
For that